to my channel. Let me show you how I make this quick and easy karela bitters, or bitter melon, bitter gourd, different names people call it, but it is so healthy and has so many benefits. Like, I use this as a reset each month. I would take this for like a week and it just resets my body, builds my immune system, and it keeps me so healthy. So I decided to share it with you guys. And here I have some Indian karela and I have some Asian karela. I also have one lemon and some salt. Let's jump into the recipe. So the first thing you want to do is wash the karela really well and remove the seeds. Then what I did was cut it into quarters. I cut it in half, then cut it in another half, because this is the size that will fit into my juicer. I'll be using my cold press juicer to extract the juices from the karela, and we'll be left with just the pulp. Now if you want, you can use a blender, but I suggest not to add too much water to it because you don't want to dilute the karela too much. You want to get the full benefits. So be mindful of the amount of water that you're adding. Now once we extract all the juices, I'll show you guys the next step. Now, like I said before, karela has a lot of great health benefits. If you've never heard of it before, I want you to go Google it and it will tell you all the benefits it has. It's great for diabetes, cancers, weight loss. It's high in vitamin C, vitamin A. It is just amazing. I've been taking this since I was a child. My mom would boil the leaves and give us the bitters to drink when we were small, and we hated it. As I grew older, I grew to love karela because I realized the great benefits it has and how it makes me feel. I feel energetic and just healthy overall. So once it's done, this is how it will look. You'll have the pulp on one side and then you have the cold pressed juice on the other side. And this is pure juice, no water or liquid is added. Next, we'll add the lemon juice in here. The lemon juice is just a natural preservative because I'll have it in the fridge for about a week. So the lemon juice is just to preserve the bitters. And then I add a pinch of salt in there, and that's just for the taste because, as you know, this is so bitter and it just helps with the taste a bit. So what I do is I use this 4-ounce measuring glass and I would pour, 4 ounces out, and I would take this for 7 days, for 1 week, 7 days, every month. That's my reset. I would do this every month for 7 days, 4 ounces every day. And that's my reset. It resets my body. It builds my immune system and I feel super energetic, healthy, and everything. I don't go to the doctor. I'm never sick. I only visit the doctor when I deliver my 2 kids, and they call me boring because I had no health issues. I don't want to say this is the reason for me having no health issues, but I'm telling you, this is it, guys. This is it. So this is the bottle I usually store my bitters in. I would pour it in here and then place it in the fridge. And that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you all. Now, if you're intimidated by the bitterness, you can actually make a smoothie with other vegetables and fruits. You can pair this up with fruits and vegetables and you can ingest it that way as well. But that's it, and I will see you guys in my next recipe. Have a good day and enjoy.